Hey guys, it's Paul here from intralifestyle.com. Now, if you're suffering with any anxiety or depression or any other kind of mental health issue that's bringing you down, or you're just in a bad place at the moment, I want to share with you 5 simple things that are going to help with anxiety and depression. So number 1 is journaling. Now, journaling is an amazing thing that you can be doing, and it's so easy to do. You just grab a notebook and you just start writing thoughts. There doesn't have to be a structure to it. Just begin by writing stuff that's on your mind. It's a way to express thoughts and emotions onto paper, and it's a very healthy way to get things out and not keep things in your head. You don't even have to show it to anyone. You can do it for yourself. Now, there's actually a really great journal which I'll put in a link below this video for you to check out, and you can begin to get more advanced with it as you want. You can structure it. You can even write thoughts down and possible brainstorming ideas. But the idea of the process of writing things out is a very healthy thing to do. The second thing you can do, which again is super simple, and honestly, this is one of the biggest things that I've found to make me feel happy and in a good place when I do. And I don't always feel in that place, but when I'm struggling or something's not going right for me, when I focus on this thing, it actually makes me feel so much better instantly, and that is gratitude. Now, it sounds so simple, but it's very, very effective. And the process that I actually do is I'll close my eyes and I'll put my hand on my heart and I'll think of up to 3 things that I'm grateful for. And I'm not just going to say, I'm grateful for this. I will actually feel the emotions. I'll think about something in my life and really engage with that and really feel the emotions. And I guarantee you, if you do that consistently, even once or twice, you're going to feel the benefits. It works very quickly and it's super effective. So give it a try. The third thing I want to share with you, again, is really easy to do. And it's just focusing on your breathing. So breathing deeply. And I can put a link below this video as well, which shows you how to do a technique which I learned with very deep breathing using the diaphragm. And it's not just superficial breathing, but when you focus on that, it is so healthy and it feels so good. And again, it's very easy to do. You can do it in the morning, in the evening, and maybe if you've got time at lunchtime. Super quick, super effective. The fourth thing is exercise. Now, you've all heard this before, that exercise is good for you. It releases endorphins and you feel good. There's no point in elaborating too much on it, but exercising will make you feel better. If you do it on a consistent basis, it's going to be great for both your physical and mental health. And then the last tip, number 5, going beyond exercise, is to eat healthy foods. Now, you hear sometimes people say you are what you eat, and it's so true. Can you think of a time where you had pigged out on a load of junk food and then you felt amazing after? Maybe in the moment you're enjoying the flavors of it, but it never makes you feel good. And even the next day you feel a bit lethargic, you feel tired, your sleep's not as good. It's not great for your skin, for your energy. And then on a deeper cellular level, it's doing damage. You want to be eating good, nutritious food, healthy, fresh, organic where possible. And it's going to help repair your body. It's going to help your recovery. It's going to help prevent illness and sickness and diseases. It's going to give you the energy that you need to get through your day, to do the things you're doing and to feel better. So those are the 5 simple tips to help you with your anxiety and depression. And I'd love to know if you give them a try and see if it's helped you. Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video useful, please hit the subscribe button, like and share with someone else that may benefit from it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.